Hi folks, today we're talking about the layers. So how do they work, why do we need them, and how to use them today's in the video. So I have opened this image that I have drew for one company that didn't accepted me for the job vacation? No, not vacation, but I hope you understood me. So yeah, they didn't accepted me to work with them because you see my skills aren't the best. My characters are a little bit flat. So I drew this for a mobile game, and I drew it half an year back, and it's I can do better now. And yeah, layers are right here in this right corner, and you see I have a lot of layers, so don't be afraid. It's only because I have a lot of objects, and they are see, like this burger is merged and this one isn't, and it's splitted, right? So how do layers work? Simply as that what is on the top right here, this group of layers is on the top. This one, yeah, chef is on the top, so if I'll hide the chef, it will disappear. And if I'll move the chef behind the table, he will be behind the table. And that's the principle how the layers work. So yeah, we can merge layers, and we can do one layer from many layers. Like here, if you see I have many layers here, and if I'll click this layer and hold shift and click on this layer and click on this layer and click on this layer and click Control E, I'll merge it, and you see pizza broke down. So yeah, you need to be careful with that. So okay, let's do with the chef. So if you want to merge layers, you need to press Control E. Oh, Control E, and you'll see that my chef is made, and the pizza is in the front of the chef. So if I'll merge it, it will be in the front, and it's cool. And you see, if you want to undo something, you need to press Ctrl Z and go back. And it's cool to have history panel right here to just click here and see what are you doing, because sometimes you can mess up with a lot of things, and you won't be able to get back. So layers, yes. So how to create new layer? As I said, you need to press here, create new layer. You have a new layer, and it's transparent. It doesn't have anything on it. So if I don't know, draw something here, you see that it's in the front of it, and I can move it. And if I'll another hotkeys to remember are Control and I'll show you in the on the screen, because I can't say what those are the keys. So if I'll be clicking it down, you see the layer is going down, 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 and yeah, oh sorry, like going more down. Yeah, we're going down, 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 and see, it goes behind the door, and it goes there. So the layers work as simple as that, and we need to have those layers. If sometimes you don't need to have layers, like this thing that I have drew. You see, there's only 3 layers. This one isn't needed because it's empty. So we have one layer and the background, and it's all. So cool thing about one more cool thing about the layers, that we can create a new layer. We can hold Alt, and you see, if we'll drag our mouse on the middle of two layers, and we click Alt and click left mouse button, we'll do something like this, and we will be able to draw only on this layer. You see, only on this layer. We don't gonna go on two layers. So if what would be if we didn't do that? So if I'll try to draw, I'll draw on two layers, and I can move it, and yeah. So if I'll press it here, it will disappear, and it will only be on this layer because it will be on pixels that are already done on this one. You see, this. Those are the that is the line that shows us what is drawn, and where it is drawn. What are the sides? So what else? So also we can go for opacity. So we have here opacity, and if we'll decrease opacity, our drawing will be decreasing, and it will be okay. How it works? Where do you need it? Like here, maybe, I don't know, if you want to make some cool effects, I don't know, you can use it. And yeah, so sometimes you can lock the layer here, and you won't be able to choose it, and you will choose the layer that is behind that layer. So if I'm clicking on the sword and I try to drag it down, it will drag the background. And if I'll do opposite, if I'll lock layer here and I'll try to, I don't know, move something, I will only select this one, and I won't be able to do something with that layer. Yeah, that's simple as that, and that's probably it for the layers. There's okay, I'll show you how to make a group. A group is a folder where you can, I don't know, add your layers just to be, I don't know, just to have all the things organized. And if you will click it, it will disappear. And yeah, so something like that. So I hope that this lesson, this tutorial, I don't know what is it, was helpful to you. If you like it, hit that like button, because it would mean a world to me, because I'm creating videos on a regular basis, and that's I don't know, I think I deserve a like, at least. But if you want, you can also subscribe. So yeah, see you guys later in future videos. Bye.